without oven, without egg, without sugar. Come on, now, simple ingredients. 2 fully ripe banana, 2 tablespoons jaggery, 3 tablespoons of oil, tablespoon of baking powder, half a tablespoon of baking soda, half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, a glass of milk, a tablespoon of sugar, a bit of rose water, and a little bit of vanilla. First, we'll mash the banana. The pan, we'll put the milk inside the pan. Now we are finished. Now we'll put the other rest of the things. Now we'll put the jaggery. Now we'll put the milk. Now we'll put the yogurt. Now oil. Now we'll mix it well. Mix until the jaggery gets dissolved. Now we'll add vanilla and rose water. Well, now we'll mix the liquid inside the banana. All the ingredients inside the flour. Then we'll seed it. Now mix it slowly. Now add walnuts and smarties. If you have repeated them, add it in. Put the dough inside the baking pan. Preheat the pan. And the bread is ready to go inside the pan. My dear friends, the banana cake is ready. Don't please thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Bye bye.